Hey everyone, it's Nick with the STARS program. We are going through and recording some new how-to videos for our new STARS application that's coming out March 16th of 2020. This is one of the coolest videos I get to do today. We're talking about our new dispatch functionality within the application. We have known for a while that we needed to come up with a new way to get plans to providers. We always thought the gold standard would be a way to deliver the information directly to providers on their way to the call. And it's pretty awesome that we get to say we've come up with a way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it works here today. So we do have a new website. We are at www.starsprogram.org. And whenever you go there, it will come up with this login screen. All right, I'm going to go ahead and log in. For those of you who used our previous version of the dispatch, so our login now is it's your old username, whatever your username was before, at starsprogram.org. We have added dispatchers as one of the roles within the new application. And one of the cool things is now that when you log in on the website, part of what we got switched for dispatching is that you can actually stay logged in for longer. And so that allows you to keep working, and especially for our dispatchers who might be working a long shift and just have this program open on their computer minimized, and then they can just pull it up as needed. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. And whenever you load into the database, as many of you know, you always load into your dashboard. So on your dashboard should be different stars that are affiliated with you, whether because you work for an EMS district and they live within your district, or else whether you work for a clinic at a hospital or an EMS agency, but you have a kid who lives somewhere else. But for some reason, they come to your district. You know, they either attend school in your district, occasionally they stay with a family member in your district. And so we can associate that stars chart with your district, and it will always populate on your home screen. So whenever you log in, the idea is that you should be seeing the vast majority of the stars that you're probably going to run. So hopefully the kid would be here if you needed them. If not, we always have the ability to search over here, and I kind of anticipate dispatch might need this more than some of my EMS providers. You know, my EMS provider, hopefully that kid is sitting over here on your home dashboard. A dispatcher might catch kids from all kinds of different places who haven't always been affiliated with them. We are also trying to associate all stars forms with dispatch agencies, so I am still hoping that, you know, my dispatch agencies will get to see their kids here if we have them affiliated, but at least they have this search all function over here. And so let's say we're looking for a kid, we need to, they're going calling 911 for an emergency. We're gonna go look for their number. Even if the family doesn't remember the number and they're like, oh, we can't remember. Well, if you can get a name from the family, you can also search by name right here. And so we're gonna search, and sure enough, there's one of my sample plans. And it's gonna always ask us, you know, are you accessing for an emergency? And if you are, please check yes. Today we'll check no because we're training. All right, and that gets us into the stars form. So we have the information that we need, and now we just need to send it to the people going to the emergency. And so dispatchers have this button available to them, and then coordinators also do, both for the purposes of training and as kind of a redundancy in the program. We wanted a few people at each district who had the ability to operate this feature. And so we have the form. Now we need to send it to the emergency responders. We click dispatch. This gives us our list of different agencies to dispatch, and it's broken down by state and county. So we can go either that way. And so same thing on the Missouri side, if you're looking for the different agencies that are in there. And then for testing purposes, we're going to use good old Lamar County in Texas. And so now I've picked my form, I've picked my provider that it's going to go to, and I just click send. It's always going to ask me confirmation. Are you sure you want to send this information to this group of emergency responders? I sure do. And you're going to click OK. The form comes right to you. You can access all the information that you need to, and hopefully this will remove some of those barriers that we had encountered with getting the information to crews in a timely fashion on their way to a call. Cool. We think that this is a game changer. This is something new and unique to get information out there. We hope we've solved one of the pain points that the old database had. We knew that we were sometimes having issues with providers being able to log in fast enough with the password to get the information. This removes that barrier. As soon as that dispatcher pushes that notification, that text message to the district, that plan is live for 2 hours. So you can reopen that link up to as many times as you need to in the next 2 hours to get the information and treat the kid. After that 2 hours is expired, you will have to log into the website to get the information if you need a chart later or something like that. So please, 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 please let us know how this is working for you. It's no, like I said, nobody's tried this before. To our knowledge, it's new, it's unique. We think it's an awesome solve. There probably will be a couple snags, so please let us know those as quickly as possible, and we will get it fixed as quickly as possible. Other than that, there is always the option to provide us some further feedback or report a problem if you want to go up underneath resources, and you can report an issue, and that will give you the option to kind of tell us what was going on. You can just log in with your username, and that will allow you to go ahead and give us that feedback. All right. Thank you guys for all that you do. Thanks for taking care of our stars, kiddos. And please be safe out there.